Hey everyone, long story short, my first upload goofed up somehow, so this is a re-upload. I'm gonna narrate this because it seems like, well, nothing was working right. So we're gonna hope that it works right now. Double Finley, 30 troop, 23 troop, monster. Monster, monster, monster. And it wants you to bring green, but I'm not going to bring green. I'm going to bring Mitsuko and hope that she does her job. If you can't tell, it's raining like crazy outside of my house right now. It's not raining in my house. It's raining outside of my house. Okay, so the team is going to be Bai Young, Mitsuko, Neith, Odin, and regular regard. I'll switch them out in just a second. So don't worry. Switch out the regard, friend. Switch out the regard. Change the regard. The troops are right, though. Because I do, on Rangers, the mana node. Yeah, it's really coming down outside. Alright, let's do it. Man, am I dragging? What's going on? Go. Do it. Do it. It's kind of a weak team. If you're looking at team power anyway. It was less than a 4,300, and I think this is almost a 4,800. But I'll set it for a diamond there. Make that green match. Right? No. If a yellow came up, it'd make a diamond. Boom. Diamond. Yep. Okay. Odin is a little bit of a waste here, but all the damage is going to help. Yep, let's get rid of some tiles. Probably could figure out a little better way to record these videos when I'm working or at home. It's really hard to record videos. If you watch any of my tournament videos, you'll hear the chaos. There's my house. Green match to double there. Yep. Can dump those reds into garnet. Bypassed. Yeah. I'm not 100% settled on this team. I think I would like a little better sniper. Yeah, I'm not going to level another June. Okay, that worked out. All right. Okay, goes the blue green match in the center. Suggested. Yep. Purple's at the bottom, or the red. Yeah, I don't know. Holy junk. How much was that hit? It's massive. Finley's like a sniper with a shotgun. but a precision shotgun. Come on. I want to make Finley fire. He's going to fire anywhere. Huh, okay. I'm not going to make the diamond. I'll make the... Yep, that makes more sense to me. And that sucks. Okay. Sure. Okay, major threat's gone, but no healing. Should take advantage of the little mana boost I have. Okay. Uh-oh. Attack boost, and you're gonna hit hard. And you thankfully hit in the wrong spot. Okay, cool. Alright. Alright. We're getting there. Mitsuko is not a finisher, and neither is Odin, especially without any buffs. So I should have done that purple dragon at the top to have a big yellow combo, but that should finish the deal. Okay. Well, I did notice there was another YouTuber, and so I'm saying hello to you. I'll get over to their list soon. Wolfheart Km4. So shout out, go check him out. I'm sure that individual has posted war hits on us. Nasty little team there. Alright, and we're back with the second half of the war. It's close. They did end up winning, so congrats to KM4. Not a sponsored segment, but I've been a Red Bull drinker for many years because I actually like the way it tastes. Here recently, I prefer Red Bull, the sugar-free. I do like the zero a little bit. But someone got me to try one of those Bang energy drinks, and they're pretty good. All right. I'm kind of back and forth on using a ninja troop in this setup because Sif will speed up that Marjana, and there's no bonus until you get way up there with the wizard. I think it might be like 18, 19, or 20, or 19 or 20 on the nodes. All right, making a match probably in the bottom right first. I don't want to make the Dragon Ball because it will screw up my next set of matches. So I need 3 matches for those Marjanas to go off, or I need 7, and I won't get 7 if I did that Dragon Bomb, but this is going to give me 7. Okay. Defense up kind of screws things up a little bit, but we're going to work on this, and that follow-up match there should help finish things off for at least 2 of them. Yep. Good. This is where that Young May, that Ear of the Month from last month, would have been great because she would have charged them all up. But Albie's going to help with that. Now, in retrospect, I would have gone and wiped out Finley immediately. He does have attack now, but I'm probably relying on these matches that are underneath him to go, oh yeah, that'll finish him off. Or thinking like, yeah, Sif's little stuff right there will help cook him. Yep, and that'll be it. Thank you for the battle. Watch Yibo go right underneath that card. Zero. That made me laugh. That's stupid, but it did make me laugh. Alright, this is close to the time that my video, or first video, failed. So hopefully we'll get through this. This is the Akarog flank, which everyone I've seen use Akarog, it never works great. But the few times that I've faced him on defense, it's been it works really well. So I just noticed they had their 23 purple troop on their tank, which I would have. I get why you have it on kill hair instead, because of the higher attack. But all right, so I'm doing the Professor and Lepiota to double up on the chance for Underworld gems. I think every little bit helps, especially when you're going against minions. I mean, I know it's just a tiny little bit damage, but I have seen those things win a match, more so in tournaments than anything. But put some emblems on rock so it can survive a little bit more. One of the more disappointing heroes that I remember being really excited about getting, and got it, and I was like, this, no, just it's just not very fun. I wanted that bird to be so much more than what it was. All right. I want to get Cormac ready to remove minions. And that match in the top left is going to finish it off. Man, if I would have brought some greens. Which I'm starting to think more and more is a smart option against Frigg. Like, if you can bring greens, do it. And probably when I look over at what's left in my roster when this war's done, I'll realize there was plenty greens to be used. I didn't want to set off Akarog. Don't have a chance to use rock. It's like the rain's chilling out here. Boom. Defense down. Just kind of like, nah. Over. I've watched that part of the video a few times and wondered, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? Right here, I should have made the... It didn't matter, right? It didn't matter. Let's go clean this up. Hopefully the video is still working. Minion team. So yeah, I'm at a point right now, and I was talking with one of my alliance mates earlier today, Bruno, and I have I've struggled to get tomes for leveling heroes, but you know what? I don't need to complain because I have a pretty decent roster. I mean, do I have every hero? No, but I do have enough for full, very full teams, and even to make adjustments. And so now, like, leveling heroes is just kind of for fun. If you get a new one, cool. So, all right, let's just clean this up really quick. Purple, yellow. Holler. Switch it up. This is a case when Akarok does well, because now those Lady of the Lake minions, well, I'll only get 2. Yep, and then dump those purples into her, greens, nice. Kill Finley, kill Finley, kill. And then we'll let the minions do their thing. Didn't even have a chance to fire Lady of the Lake. Cool. Alright. It is time for the pig team. I don't like using the pig team last. I did for the longest time because it always felt like if I could get the first 3, or if I could get 2 matches, 2 yellow matches to get Micah, and then had a 3rd match on the board, or a 3rd match that I could work to, and I'd get the pigs going, and then it was just hanging out and surviving. I did goof up. I should have brought Garnet. Darn it. But I didn't. So there you go. Don't touch. Km4. Green diamond, and clear out this garbage. Okay, that was luck. Look at all that luck that followed up. Second yellow match. Micah can go. Dump those yellows into cobalt. Oh, I thought that would have been enough. There's another yellow match on the right side. Now we're good to go. All you did was charge up the pigs. They're fully charged, so it doesn't matter. You could pop that green diamond. Yep. It's gonna kill Freya here. Totally not worried about dying. Right now, anyway. Yep. Dump those tiles into Odin. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I would have rather this was enough to kill him, but I would have rathered Garnet for this. So, yep, didn't use her. Didn't need to, but I should have. Just got a phone call while recording this, so I hope it didn't mess it up. But if that messes it up, I give up. All right, kind of looking to see what I have left here. If you didn't just see, I did get custom Sabina. She's max, but I don't have any emblems because she's sorcerer, and well, I've got a max Krampus, a max Garnet. I got Lepiota waiting for some more stuff, more emblems. So, rain's picking back up. Awesome. Okay, so gonna use my blue team and looking for a target. Just confirming that I'm above 200 points. That is the goal. Always the goal is 200. If everyone on your team has over 200 points, you're doing awesome when it comes to a 30 on 30. This is a 29 on 29. I had one of our folks opt out for some, well, real life stuff. And real life is always more important to us than, well, this game. It's a game, right? All right, so I'm gonna take the probably take the Ursina tank. Yep. Look at that Garnet up top, not doing anything. So I have one hitter. And 4 like healers. That's exactly what I have there. It's funny. I didn't look at that. I don't know if I would have done this any different than what I did do it. So blues to take out Marjana, because that's not the dodging one. Okay. Heal up. I hate Onyx, if anyone didn't know. Okay, I would have looked to do something different then. That was a rushed move because I knew Zelene was going to fire. And then now she's going to fire. Onyx is prepping to fire. Yep. And I hate Onyx. Now Krampus is... Alright, that suggested match up top is what I would do next. Yep. Yep, doomed. Red should take out her. All right. Nothing really you can do. I could have ghosted those Yettles in the middle, but it's just kind of game over already. So anyway, that sucks. Well, 2 fails, cleanup, 3 one-shots. Overall, not the worst thing, not the best thing. I'm somewhat satisfied with my results. So some good hits up there, but ultimately we lost. So congratulations to Km4 on this, and well, we will catch you again on the next war video, I think. So have fun. Thanks for watching.